your entire mental structure is being broken down, and you're doubting yourself and your own abilities, and you're going through every emotional roller coaster, experiencing everything. Is like, yeah, that all day, be my guest.
So what I'm hoping our coaches leave this experience with is a clear plan for what they're doing with their business and their projects in the next 90 days, 6 months, to know deep down inside that they have the support to get them there during this event.
My experience has been fantastic. Costa Rica is absolutely beautiful. The location that we were set up in was amazing. The permaculture tour kind of set it all up. Seeing how in nature everything plays a role has a huge correlation into business versus, are you trying to force a crop to grow, or have you positioned and developed things to where that crop would grow with ease?
If you feel stuck with where you're at, if you feel frustrated, if you feel you need more and you want more for yourself and for the world, join the Strong Coach.
My biggest challenge was implementing the tools that I already had to continue to grow my business. There was a part of me that was lacking on taking action into actually putting those tools into play within the business itself.
Tuning into just what is my body really doing at a much, much deeper level, kind of really letting myself step back and spend more time inward.
Any program the Strong Coach has, I would recommend. The Mastermind in particular has been great for me for accountability, giving me ideas of what the next steps are to take so I don't feel so lost and overwhelmed. Having someone check in with you to make sure you're actually following up on those things, and a group to bounce ideas off of.
This system that is working together. It's all going to, all the bits and pieces, like they all happen for a reason. The good, the bad, they're all working in unison to create this beautiful system, essentially.
The coaching industry is booming, and most coaches are struggling. They don't know what to do. They know they just want to help people. We give you the path so you know exactly how to build your business and make the biggest impact in your clients' lives.